Picture this, a small lab room, soft light, a whiteboard full of diagrams, that instead of beaker, there are charts of rhythm, breath, and sensation. You lean in. You want to study something that lives between folklore and science, masturbation education, and a mysterious Portio, the so-called cervical or uterine orgasm. Let's go on a quick, thrilling tour that is equal parts science, curiosity, and careful practice. First, language matters. Portio refers to the cervix, the lower neck of the uterus. Some people report deep, diffuse orgasms centered low in the pelvic, sometimes called cervical or uterine orgasm. Others feel everything in the clitoris. Both are true. The human body is diverse. The nerves involve the complex pelvic and hypogastric pathways, the pelvic floor muscles, the autonomic system, hormones, mood, context, and touch history all shape perception. That variability is not a problem to fix. It is the terrain to map. Think like a scientist and an explorer. Design small, safe, self-study protocol. Ask participants to keep short, structured journals, mood, time and cycle, posture, breathe, mental focus, sensation location, intensity, and after effects like relaxation or warmth. Use visual maps. Have people draw where they felt pleasure on a simple body outline. Pair qualitative notes with simple scales. This gives you patterns faster than grand theories alone. Teaching masturbation. Make it evidence-based and unchained. Start with clear anatomy, using models or diagrams. Stress consent and boundaries. Teach hygiene, lubrication, and gentle pacing. Normalize wide variation. Some people climax quickly, others slowly. Some never reach orgasm, and that's okay. Emphasize self-knowledge as a tool for sexual health, not a fix-it for performance anxiety. When you design research on Portio orgasms, be precise. Define your term. Use mixed methods. Interviews to capture rich, poetic descriptions, physiological measures to track heart rate, pelvic EMG, and maybe fMRI for willing volunteers in specialized set. Consider cycle phase, parity, childbirth history, pelvic exams, and pain history. Control for expectation and language. What you call an experience changes how people report it. Ethics first. Ensure informed consent, privacy, and safety. Avoid prescriptive how-to steps in public materials. For clinical or educational settings, train facilitators to honor boundaries and avoid pathologizing unusual responses. Finally, bring imagination to your lab. Encourage breathwork, slow attention shift, movement, and varied positions in private studies, not as instructions, but as variables to explore. Collect stories, compare across cultures, look at how myths about the cervix have shaped medical care and desire. We are at a rare crossroads. Rigorous methods meet sensual curiosity. Map the unknown, listen to language. Measure with care, and never forget, every data point is a lived human experience.
That is where science becomes meaningful and a little bit magical.